The Vesica Piscis stands as a profound geometric symbol from which all other forms arise. This sacred shape emerges from the intersection of two circles, creating an almond-like figure that represents the confluence of duality and unity. By further exploring this geometry, the intersection of 3 circles yields a triangle, 4 circles lead to the square and rhombus, and 5 circles unveil the pentagram. When 6 circles are drawn around a central 7th, a deeper complexity of interconnectedness unfolds in the seed of life. Ancient cultures revered the Vesica Piscis, recognizing its significance in various spiritual traditions. Its presence can be observed in the earliest temples, as well as in the majestic architecture of medieval churches and cathedrals. In Celtic symbolism, the Vesica Piscis often intertwines with the threefold triquetra and other intricate knot designs, illustrating the interconnectedness of life forces. This shape also served as the foundation for the pointed Gothic arch and was depicted as a radiant aureola surrounding revered figures in Christian art. The term Vesica Piscis, which translates to fish bladder, evokes images of abundance and transformation, linking it to themes of rebirth and renewal. The past showings of sacred geometry holds the same power as the current sacred geometric symbols, are here to offer you portals to other dimensions within yourself, as within, so without. As the almond tree is the first to blossom in the Mediterranean spring, so too does the Vesica Piscis embody the essence of revival. It symbolizes the threshold between what no longer serves and what is yet to come. This dynamic shape acts as a portal connecting various realms, be they of time, space, experience, or consciousness. It invites the release of outdated patterns while welcoming new possibilities. When one aligns with the energies of the Vesica Piscis, synchronicities often unfold, signaling significant shifts in life's journey. The Vesica Piscis resonates with the energy of the divine feminine, representing the cosmic mother, nurturing and protecting all forms of existence, as well as creation power itself. When the points of the Vesica Piscis are connected, a diamond shape emerges, an age-old symbol of the goddess that signifies creation and the sacred opening, the very portal of existence. This shape, akin to the Norse rune Ingwas, embodies fertility, harmony, rebirth, and the burgeoning of new ideas and potential. Not only does the Vesica Piscis unveil the divine essence within and around existence, but it also serves as a protective shield against negative energies. It fosters an understanding of shadow aspects, illuminating the parts of the self that may inadvertently obscure one's light. In three-dimensional expression, the Vesica Piscis transforms into an egg shape, a powerful emblem of both rebirth and protection. This egg-like form mirrors the auric field, which expands into a toroidal shape, symbolizing the flow of energy and vitality. The practice of creating an auric shield, often referred to as a protective egg, has been a cherished tradition in various cultures. This technique involves using intention and energy to envelop others in a vibrant aura, safeguarding them from harmful influences. Consent and mutual respect are paramount in this practice, ensuring that the act of protection is both ethical and empowering. In the domain of energy healing, the Vesica Piscis reveals its transformative power. Engaging with this sacred geometry facilitates the release of inner blockages and fosters the integration of shadow aspects. As a symbolic gateway between the old and the new, the Vesica Piscis also represents a transformative portal between darkness and light, guiding all to comprehend the essential purpose of duality. It is often through embracing the shadow that the source of one's true light is discovered. The continual exploration of the Vesica Piscis through meditation and visualization cultivates a profound sense of courage and clarity. As this potent symbol embodies the spirit of renewal, it encourages the release of that which no longer serves. In recognizing the transformative potential inherent within the Vesica Piscis, all may embark on a journey of healing, transformation, and profound self-discovery, embracing the sacred balance of existence that this powerful symbol embodies. This symbol is a beautiful one to begin your sacred geometry journey on. Stay tuned for more expansion with sacred geometry. Together we birth the new world with expanding information. Information expands all. Thank you for watching. Interested in a metaphysical book for children? Check out A is for Ascension, the ABCs of Metaphysics, our newest children's book available on Amazon. Interested in studying free metaphysical classes? Visit podlingsacademy.com. Would you like help with your own ascension? Visit transcendingascension.com. Until next time, Transcending Ascension.